I have one water cooler device here. This is a water cooler air fan. This device has a manual control here. You can see here, this is a manual bottom are here. So these are the speed control, and I have here this coolant on off, and I have this is the one swing. So what I'm thinking now, I want to convert this device as a remote. I want to add a remote and or apps control. So just I am going to check it. What is the compatible? Is the IR remote, because IR remote is the little old device. I found here there is a one space is here. It's for the remote manufacturer. They keep here one small space for the remote addition. So even though I am going to trying this one best fit for like apps control. So I will open this one and I will see what is the compatible best compatible for this device. Finally I dismantle the machine here. So all the inner part are here, you can see it. So normally the machine is controlled by the bottom, and you can see here the physical bottom are here, and the normally general purpose fan motor is here, and one drum type of rotary device is here. So what I thought here, I think this is compatible for apps control and uh, apps control type. So I just developed some PCB here. So I'll show here some PCB. I'm going to dismantle this PCB. I have developed this PCB as like plug and play. So I'll describe here. I have here microprocessor board and one small power supply. So this is general purpose mobile charger, 5 volt power supply, and I have another important things I'm going to show you here. I have this one Bluetooth controller is here. This is general purpose Bluetooth adapter. So this adapter also we can remove it. I make here one small plug and play type here. You can see one plug type here, and the downside, especially this area, I make one this one microprocessor PCB. It's 328. uh, this is Pro Mini PCB, and another the base I made is this general purpose this project board. This is everything's the main controller device is here, and finally the output I have 4 channel relay here, and this all the switches which is connected some wire for the motor control here. This all the point I make it here as a parallel connection to the this relay board. So finally it can control the this device like a 2 channel, because I have 4 relay here, and I have 3 speed motor control here, plus one swim and one for the cooler on off. That way I make it 2 channel only for the speed control, and 2 relay for the two another function, this the blade swim and the water cool on off. So just I am going to test this one as the first time. So let me on the power now. So I turn on the power here. So finally you can see here some light are blinking. This is the microprocessor, and this the Bluetooth device is going on the source mode now. So still no one device is connected here. So the main important things is here I have apps here. I download this apps is from the Google Play Store. So this is the Bluetooth which is the developed by Arduino. So this assistance this is the assist apps what I am going to use, and you can see here the connected HC06. This is the Bluetooth device. So whatever I refresh here, you can see here the device is this one HC06 here. This is the device what is connected here. You can see also it's connecting. So finally he will connect. So it's connected here. So this is the main feature of this control system, which is the apps. General purpose apps also you can use it for home automation and like a smart home or many much more things. We can make it we can control by these apps as a through the Bluetooth control. About these apps, we can see here some many options are here, like we have here bottom, and we have here terminal also. We can use the terminal also, and we have here many more arrow and acceleration system. Also you can control through the voice. So I will show you through the voice how can we control this device, and another things at the bottom. So first of all, I'm going to use this one through the bottom. So this is the main apps. So I will just on this one is the bottom. So you can see here A, B, C, D, E, and F. So this about this bottom, actually I have to program to my microprocessor. This is the board whatever I develop it. So I have written the code here in this microprocessor, and I upload this one. That's way whatever this the code, we send some instruction code, so this code will be triggered to the my device. You can see that everything is getting here. My Bluetooth device is connected to my this is apps control mobile, where I install the apps. So I will start from the A. You can see once I press the A, the first speed is started here. So once I press the number B, so you can see the speed is rising up now. This is the high speed. So another I have here the C button. The C button will be stop. This is the stop button, so all the system will be stop here. All means this is the only the rotary device will be stop here. And again I am going to on the first speed. So another button I have D here. So by the D button, actually I have here configured this the swim system. You can see here one device is moving here. This is the swim motor is here. So this motor is going to move here. You can see the one white color, one rotary device is moving slowly. Then another I have this another button here, like E button. So once I press the E, we can see some sound is going on here. That sound is from here inside the this water cooler tank. There is a water, so that tank there is a motor, a small pump. So that pump is started here. Finally, successfully all the bottom and the code are configured here as a correct way, and it's working properly. So once I press the F button, so this the swim and the motor pump motor is stopping. So this is the F, and D is for swim, and E for the this water pump, and F is the both devices are stop. Still my fan is going on. So once I press the C, we can see here I'm going to press the C. This is the C button, so the fan will be stopped totally. So you can see here all the system is stopped here. So this is how we can control this our home automation and home devices through the Bluetooth control, what it called like a smart control system, something like this. So as a same like this, we can control through the Wi-Fi, and it's a look like IoT, Internet of Things. So everything we can do by programming, which is the programming coding. You can do also if you try to learn the programming coding system. So finally I control this device. So I will just close the device, and I will check it everything will be work properly or no. I hope it will be work. So again I am going to test it all the option here. Other things I make configuration for the interlocking system and this the proper way. That's way once I press A or B button, then only the D and E will be work. So if I stop the B, A and B button, and E and D and E button will not work. It's you can see here the sound, but the no one function is going on here. So that means that is the interlocking. So once I on the blower system, then only the motor and swim system will be work. So that what I make the interlocking system and relation, the synchronizing each other all the function. That is the things also must necessary to protect the device. So that's everything. So let me close the device here, and we'll start. It will work proper or not. Finally I assembled the device now. So you can see that it's completed already. Now I'm going to test by my remote control through the Bluetooth connection by the apps. So I have this same mobile here, this apps which is I install a couple of time ago. And I can see this is the Bluetooth apps, and I have here A, B, C, D, E, and F button. So I have described about these things previously. Now I'm going to turn on my device by the button A with a low speed. So just I will turn on this one. You can see there is a sound, and now my device is started and it's giving airflow is still good. I hope this airflow is enough to use it, and the water coolant is working well also. And now I'm going to increase the speed here by pressing the button B. So once I press the button, you can see here the airflow is very high and sound is there also, and we can use this is for little long distance in the huge room. And finally I have the C button for close the fan. Once I press the C, the fan this blower is getting close. So I'm going to on again, 1 speed and 2 speed, and I have here the D. Actually now the swimming is not working, so once I press the D button here, this is the D button, so you can see the my swimming option is starting. It's getting swim now. You can see this is the shorter right and left, it's turning, you can see here. So this is the everything what I made this device today. I convert this manual button by this kind of button to this device control. So I have this the mobile apps control. So this is we can make this kind of home and home appliance. So mostly this is what is called like a smart home system. So this is a blower water cooler. So I want to control this one through the apps, and today I got it. My idea is get successfully. So that's all. So thank you for watching this video.